countdown to your next water feature is on. The Trilogy Falls Basalt Fountain. 4 stones, 3 water flows, 2 beautiful, 1 awesome display. The Trilogy Falls Basalt Fountain is a 4-stone set of real basalt rocks. It features a center column 14 to 22 inches in diameter by 22 to 32 inches tall. From this center column, a 360-degree display is created by 3 water flows onto 3 outer splash stones. Each outer stone is a generous 14 to 24 inches in diameter and 10 to 16 inches tall. As water spills from their contoured surface, additional cascades of water create a multi-layer display. While not every installation will be the same, here are some installation basics and tips on setting up the Trilogy Falls Basalt Fountain. With a minimum footprint of 7 to 9 feet in diameter to account for splash, this 4-stone set is too big for a pre-made basin. A rubber-lined reservoir built to size is ideal for the Trilogy Falls Basalt Fountain. In the shown installation, the hole was lined with 45 mil rubber liner. Non-woven geotextile was used under and on top of the liner. High-strength res cubes were used to support the stones and create void space for extra water storage in the reservoir. A pump vault was offset in the reservoir for easy pump installation and future access for winterizing or maintenance. 3 inlet holes are drilled into the bottom of the center stone for connecting the plumbing. These holes connect internally with the larger outlet holes that create the water flows out of the sides. The bottom holes fit 1-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. In this application, a 1-inch slip by spigot PVC elbow worked well, with the spigot side going into the bottom of the stone. Silicone was used to hold the elbow in place during installation. It was not fully cured so that the elbows could be rotated once the center stone was in place to meet the incoming plumbing. Strips of grating on top of the res cubes created the perfect clearance for the plumbing under the stone. Once in place, the center stone was rotated so that the outlet holes were positioned for optimal visibility of the water flows. The 3 outlet holes are each at different levels. Variations per stone will occur, but they are at approximately 120-degree increments, or every other face of the hexagonal stone. With the center stone in position and properly supported, each plumbing line was glued to a valve system to control the flow to each waterfall. A 2,700 gallon per hour pump was installed in the pump vault and connected to the plumbing with a rubber coupler to allow easy removal of the pump in the winter. A total flow of 2,000 to 3,000 gallons per hour is recommended for maximum effect. At this point, the reservoir was filled with water to run the system. Adjustments to the flow and position of the center stone were verified, and it also gave an idea where to place the outer splash stones. Once the outer splash stones were placed, the system was run again for final adjustments to the flow and stone placement. It also gave an idea of any splash patterns. At this step, more precise liner adjustments were also made. With the completed adjustments to water flow, rock positions, and liner, the water feature was finished off by covering the reservoir with 2 to 5-inch decorative stone. The Trilogy Falls Basalt Fountain makes a stunning 360-degree display. A true statement piece in any landscape. For information on this and other EZ Pro products, visit our website, ezpro.com.